sound of a pencil sketching, followed by an upbeat, modern track. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what a day in the life of an architect is really like? It's not just about drawing blueprints. Let's dive in. My day starts early, usually with a hot coffee and a head full of ideas. Every house begins with a dream, a vision from a family looking to build their future. My job is to take that dream and turn it into a reality. We start with sketches, refining every detail, then move to 3D models to bring the vision to life. But the real magic happens on site. From the first groundbreaking to the final coat of paint, I'm there every step of the way. It's a collaboration, working closely with engineers and construction teams to make sure every single line and every corner is perfect. We're not just building walls and roofs. We're creating spaces for memories, for laughter, and for life to unfold. Seeing a project go from a simple sketch to a finished, beautiful home where a family can thrive. That's the most rewarding part of it all. It's more than a job. It's a passion for creating spaces that inspire. So, that's a little peek into my world. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching.